Okay, class. Today we shall learn about the time and space. So please bring out your binders. Hey, King Sombra, are you chewing gum?
No, I'm not chewing gum.
Then what are you chewing?
It's ice.
King Sombra, enough is enough. That could break your teeth. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now.
Hi, King Sombra. Why are you crying?
Miss Stella Momobushi sent me here because I was chewing ice in her class.
King Sombra, you know chewing ice could break your teeth. That's it. You're suspended for 50 days. Go home now.
Kim Sembra. We can't believe you were chewing ice in Miss Stella Momoboshi's class at school today and got suspended for 50 days. That's it. You're grounded for 850 months.
Go upstairs and go to your room right now. And don't even think about leaving your room until dinner time, or else we will send you to Iraq.